If you're like me and kind of have sensitive skin, so you're nervous about using retinol, then I have a new technique you're gonna love. It's called sandwiching. And what it means is you're not just gonna be using the retinol on its own, but instead you're gonna cushion it with hyaluronic acid. I'm gonna be using the hyaluronic acid water gel from Wow Skin Science. First, you just apply a layer of the hyaluronic acid right on your skin. Hyaluronic acid is super hydrating, and the one from Wow Skin Science actually contains vitamin B5 and vitamin E. And then next, now you can use the retinol. I'm also using this retinol from Wow Skin Science. So just apply a layer of the face cream. This is gonna really lock in that moisture and keep your skin nice and nourished. And my skin already looks brighter. And finally, for the last layer, you're gonna once again apply the hyaluronic acid. This is gonna keep the moisture going throughout the day, and your skin's not gonna be irritated. Okay, all done, and I love how my skin's looking. There's no irritation, no sensitivity. It's working amazing. So if you're interested in giving retinol a second try, then I highly recommend you check out Wow Skin Science. They have quality products that are gonna definitely make your skin super happy.